Alright, log floor joists. Today I'm going to show you how to scallop cut these, scribe them out, and drop them in. So, we'll see. I'll try to make it quick, but it's pretty basic principles. Alright, log floor joists. As you can see, we have our tie logs spanning the house, and for your loft floor, we got to drop in a bunch of these along with out in the garage. But I'm going to show you today how to scallop cut the end of these, how to scribe them out, and drop them in. So you get a nice tight fit. So they look decent. These are running 32 inches on center. That's what we're running them from the center of this one to the center of that one. When you look at the log this way, from the face of your log, we're leaving 4 inches. This one might be a little longer than that, but 4 inches is what I measured on the other one. So we're going to measure this span because of the tie logs wave in and out a little bit. You have to measure each one separately. We'll measure from this side to that side on our 32 marks, and then we'll cut it. You know, whatever it is between the face, we'll add 8 inches. Cut it. I'll do the scallop cuts. Then we'll scribe them in, or scribe them, chisel it out, chainsaw, and drop it in. Alright, the first thing I did, it was 85 inches from face to face. So I added 4 inches on each side, so it's 93 inches long. So I gave us 93 inches to work with here. So I cut this exact. Okay, once you get this cut to the correct length, you want to draw these lines on here. Now you're going to put the square on there square, then you're going to tilt it like so, draw your line, make another line 6 inches back, which is that one. And then where these go together, you're going to connect them and you're going to leave about an inch there, and I'll show you why later. You're going to end up cutting back to here, and then you're going to taper cut like this. And then you do the same with the other side. Put it on there flat, tilt it, put your line, measure up 6, put your 6-inch mark, and then you have to pull this back. So what the idea here is you're tapering this way and back, so that as it falls into your hole, everything tapers back. It just makes for a nice fit. Get a nice smooth transition. Let's see here. They vary in size and shape. It doesn't matter because you're going to transfer that line to drop whatever shape you end up with into the other log. Alright, now we got her cut to length, and we got it blocked up on this end. That's so both ends are 5.5 inches off. So we only have to set our scribe once. 32 inches on center, same as the other ones. And then we level it up. So now we set our scribe and just do line transfer, chisel it out, chainsaw it out, and drop her in. Alright, now we set our scribe at 5.5. That's the distance that we need to transfer that line. So now on the bubbles. So this is how you set your scribe. Get your bubbles even on a plumb line. We just put a plumb line on here with a level. And now she's ready to work. Alright, the idea is to keep your bubbles in the lines as you're transferring the contour of that bottom of that joist to this tie log. As you can see, it doesn't have to be exactly perfect, but as good as you can do. That sounds like it's not setting the bar very high. Good as you can do. Alright, now we got the line on there. Go ahead and chisel her out. Chisel it out so the chainsaw doesn't tear any wood fibers. And so so we got her honed out. And here's the other side. Now we'll pop it in there. And I bet you it fits. Might be that we popped it in there once or twice already. What do you know? It fits like a glove. Alright, and that's what she looks like when she's done. Floor joist scribed in.